Positioned right behind me on 1/4 acre is one Lesa Court, Mount Martha. Let's go inside and have a look at what this fantastic ranch-style home has to offer. From the moment you enter the door, you'll be greeted by an abundance of natural light throughout this spacious, well-designed home. A beautiful open-plan kitchen, living and dining area filled with natural light. Large formal lounge and sitting area with expansive bay windows. The home also features a spacious master bedroom with ensuite, spa and walk-in room. The large backyard is great for kids and pets to play all day long. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the weekend at Saturdays, open for inspection.